Chennai?
Yeah.
What is it?
Ngan.
Yeah, what is it? Chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken, rice.
Rice.
Chicken, rice, and
Spicy.
what is that?
Yeah. Spicy.
What's the name?
Mate, rice, muan.
Ah, spicy.
Yeah.
Spicy sauce.
Yeah.
Nice. Say goodbye. Goodbye.
What's up, guys? It's Saturday, and it looks like I'm going to spend part of my day off, my one day off, at the old market. We haven't been down here in a while. Normally we go to Sasamaki or Salu, but Senglai wanted to come down here this time. So here we are. Yeah, they have the same things as they do at Sasamaki, but because it's a tourist area, it is a little bit more expensive. But of course, she can get the better deals because she is a local. Somebody had asked about looking at my apartment videos about if there are stoves or ovens in the apartment, and the answer is generally no. They do not come with stoves or ovens or whatever it is you want to call them. Most of the time, people will just buy, and if I see one here, I'll show you, one of those countertop burners that run on cans of gas or propane, whatever it is, some kind of gas. You can get them with either one burner or two burners, and usually that in a rice cooker is sufficient for most of your cooking needs. Now, if you like to bake, then you'll have to come up with alternatives. An alternative way to get your baking done. But they do have baked goods here, so I know it's possible. A lot of apartments will already come with will come furnished, and they'll come with a burner and maybe a gas canister or two to start you out. But if not, you can usually get them, if you negotiate, for about between $5 to $8. Rice cookers should run you about 10 to 15, depending on where you go and your negotiating skills. Yeah, I'm just kind of stuck here, guys. I'm going around in circles. I'm just kind of stuck here. As you can see, the exits are blocked, so I'm just walking back and forth down the very thin aisles here. As you can see, this area of the old market here, you have all the vendors set up right in the main aisle, selling their various foods, produce. So of course it gets kind of crowded. But that's all right. There we go. Eventually, I was just going to say, eventually, a hole will open up. And you can come out here and take advantage of that. So people have had some good suggestions for my what they want me to do for my 1000th video. Someone suggested drinking some snake wine. In case you don't know what that is wine that has a snake in it, a real snake that's been fermenting in there for a long time. And it's very potent. I've not heard good things about it, is what I'm saying. Somebody suggested that. Somebody else suggested I eat a bat lasagna and feed my dog one of those fried scorpions. Well, not my dog, my landlord's dog that I call my dog because he's my buddy. And somebody else said I should just get a tattoo that says I heart YouTube. As I said, I like how dedicated you people are to seeing me suffer like that. But I appreciate all the ideas. We will think of something. And yes, I will have a live stream. Okay, I'm not going to prolong this here because, again, I'm kind of stuck in one place. So I'll talk to you guys later. All right, we're now on a pass app. All the food is in my backpack. Siem Reap River. We didn't get any rain like we were supposed to. I mentioned in my last video it was forecast to rain, never did. So that's kind of a bummer. But still, the last 3 days have been kind of cloudy and overcast, so a little bit cooler. Unfortunately, no rain. Wattville Road. I believe there must have been a bunch of soccer games today. I see all the kids out in their uniforms. Alright, here we are on Street 20. Almost to the apartment. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I was going to end this video different, but I just found out that it's finally happened. I finally reached my 1,000th subscriber. So it's now official. I can do more things on YouTube. That is very awesome. I want to thank everybody. Keep in mind that we'll be having a live stream Monday night, Cambodia time, at right around 9 o'clock. I don't know what time that will, what day or time that will be for you because of all the time differences, but I guess you can Google that. Whatever time it is in Cambodia at 9 o'clock on Monday night, I'll be having a live stream. And I'm already getting some things set up for my video. Should be up in a couple days, celebrating my 1,000th subscriber. So that's all pretty awesome. And by the way, if you're in Siem Reap, or you're going to be in Siem Reap by Monday, and you want to be on my live stream, let me know in the comments. And you can join me. Always like to have special guests. You can answer some questions if you want. Tell your experiences. Give your opinions. And of course, if you're not in Siem Reap and can't be on the live stream, feel free to tune in and ask any questions you may have. Remember, Monday night, 9 o'clock Cambodia time, p.m. at night. That'll give me time to come back from my class, take a shower, and get ready to broadcast. The thing about hitting 1,000 wasn't for monetization. As I showed you in one of my other videos, that's not going to be that much. The main reason was the ability to live stream on the go, on mobile. There's also community things you can do once you hit 1,000 subscribers. There's just a few more things you can do for your subscribers once you hit 1,000 on YouTube. So that'll all help. And that was the main reason I was excited about it, not the monetization or anything. So, like I said, I've already thought of some ideas. I got them going around in this this head of mine, and I'll be coming up with another video in a couple days. 2 or 3 days actually, because my live stream is going to be Monday, so I'll probably upload my next video on Tuesday. Yeah, I'll put some effort into this one. I'll take the extra time and edit it for your viewing pleasure. Okay. But anyway, I do want to thank everybody that subscribes, likes, comments, and all that good stuff. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to check out all my links down below. All my book links are down there. If you want to donate or join my Patreon, that is down there. If you want to like and subscribe to other YouTubers in Cambodia, those links are down below. And also all my social media. If you want to follow my daily life on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, feel free to join me there. All right. Thank you guys once again. I appreciate it. And thank you to For Real Channel and Jeremy for letting me know I hit 1,000. They actually sent me a message because I hadn't checked my YouTube today. So thank you all, and I will talk to you Monday night.